Good morning, everyone. This is Randy here, and I am in Dublin, Ireland. Sometimes people ask me, what is it like to live in a castle? Well, it's pretty awesome. Love living in a castle. Castles are amazing. I've always been fascinated by castles as a little kid, and now I'm living in one. This castle is in the suburbs of Dublin. It has 4 floors. It's a historic castle from the 10th or 11th century. Beautiful stone walls and has a full tower. It's been converted to a hotel. There are I don't know how many guests stay here. It's not a very large number of guests. Mainly families and couples, people on honeymoons. They have weddings here. From what I understand, there's golf tournaments nearby as well. So this is used perhaps as a clubhouse for avid golfers. I'm currently just going down from the 3rd floor where I reside to the bottom of the stairs, and it's grand. This place is grand. Sometimes you do get lost. I think I'm on the 1st floor. One more, and then I will be on the grand floor. There's a number of very nice restaurants here, and of course a grand piano for those who are inclined to tickle the ivories. And we're making our way down to the ground floor of the castle. There's this lounge area behind me that is beautifully situated. You can see it's adorned with all types of beautiful artifacts. And there is another area in the castle that has these amazing, majestic thrones. So this area here, if you look behind me, has 2 thrones, his and her thrones, right? You have his and her closets, his and her washrooms, and of course, his and her thrones. Every mansion or castle is not complete unless you have 2 beautiful thrones. Inside here is the busy restaurant. This is the bar and restaurant. There are several restaurants inside the castle. This is one of them. This one is currently open. You can see that there are fireplaces, and there's actually one really beautiful fireplace on this side. If I could just turn the camera behind me, there we go. At the end, if you could see, there is a beautiful fireplace. I'm not gonna go and bother the people eating there, but you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful dining room where you can have lunch and dinner. And management's actually very nice here. There is technically no closing hour. They will go as long as you need, and they will close at 1 if you want to keep drinking. So they have flexible policies when it comes to the service of the patrons here at this particular castle. There's another very nice room on this side, and this is a little room here, as you can see, where you can sit. I would call this the red room. You can sit and debate history and politics and do whatever. Sorry, there's a person who just walked past me. Do whatever you need to do here in the red room. More thrones everywhere. Just there we go. I'm sitting on a throne. Look, just sit on a throne. Whatever you want to do. Want to sit on a throne? You got it. You can sit on a throne. The central lobby is here. You can see behind me. We have the central lobby. And if you look up, this is the main tower that goes all the way up. I will show you the outside of the castle as well. Very beautiful stone walls, and this is actually a real castle. This is not some Disneyland invention or something they built with paper mache. Here's another throne. Love it. You can sit on this throne as well. Look at me. I'm sitting on the throne. This is where I belong. All of you should also experiment with the experience of sitting on thrones, because it's just such an amazing feeling. Okay, so let's go outside and I'll show you the outside of the castle. Before I do, obviously, no castle is complete without knights. Here are some of the knights protecting the castle from possible invaders. Every castle or mansion is not complete unless you have a suit of armor. We have knight number 1 right here. His name is Fred. And we have knight number 2. And his name is George. Where is George? Here we go. This is George the Knight right here. And if you follow me outside, there's a little bit of construction noise. I guess they're maintaining the castle. But I will flip the camera backwards. You can see the whole thing. Sorry, that was a little bit noisy. Castle maintenance, right? These ancient structures need to be maintained, perhaps on a periodic basis. You don't live in a castle without maintenance. Maintenance is very important for your very own castle. I'm sure one of these days I will be able to buy something like this. That is my dream. Some point in my life to buy a castle somewhere in Europe. That would be the dream. Let me see if I can do it in the next 2 decades. That would be absolutely amazing. We have an eagle here, and this looks like maybe a podium where you can make a speech, perhaps. Gorgeous, gorgeous place. Highly recommend it. Living my medieval fantasy, living my king fantasy here. Living the life. This is Europe. This is Europe, baby. Best continent in the entire world where you can live in a castle. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.